How tight should you bolt down your toilet, and how do you know when to stop? Bolt the toilet until the closet bolts compress the washers just enough that they begin to show a slight curve and the toilet no longer rocks, then stop. Over-tightening risks cracking the porcelain or deforming the flange, and under-tightening allows movement and leaks. Start by lowering the bowl squarely onto the flange with a fresh wax ring. Hand tighten the nuts onto the two closet bolts until they are snug, and then alternate tightening each side with a wrench in small increments to keep the bowl level. Pay attention to the washers under the nuts. When they begin to compress and show a subtle fold, you have reached the correct compression and further force is unnecessary. If you feel the nuts suddenly give or you hear a cracking sound, you have gone too far, so immediately loosen and inspect the bowl and flange for damage. Use brass or stainless steel bolts and nuts when possible because they deform less and are less likely to shear compared with low-quality plastic hardware. If the flange is damaged or the bowl still tilts after proper tightening, replace the flange or use a flange extender and start over to achieve a secure, level fit. 3 common mistakes are over-tightening, which cracks the porcelain, under-tightening, which allows rocking and leaks, and using cheap plastic hardware that strips or deforms. If you over-tighten and detect a hairline crack, stop. Loosen the nuts, inspect for visible damage. Replace the bowl if necessary, and switch to brass hardware with a new wax ring. If the toilet rocks or leaks after installation, remove the bowl, verify flange height and wax ring condition, replace the wax ring or use a thicker ring or flange extender, and reseat the bowl using alternating small increments on each nut. If hardware strips or deforms, replace it with brass or stainless steel bolts, and use new washers and nuts, making sure to tighten evenly and only until the washers slightly compress. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing jobs and profiles. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share hands-on tips, troubleshooting, and real-world experiences about tasks like toilet installation and bolt tightness.